Are you looking for an eco-friendly soundproofing solution that is easy to install and could help lower your energy bills? Batt 30 is a specially formulated high-density cotton-based insulation. This product is ideal for soundproof in a home music studio or just general noise control in both residential and commercial buildings. Batt has a range of features that make it a superior solution for your soundproofing needs. To start, it has one of the highest obtainable NRC ratings with a 0.95, meaning it absorbs 95% of sound in a space and reflects the remaining 5%. This sustainable sound-dampening insulation helps reduce echoes and vibrations in a room to improve the overall acoustics. Batt is perfect for soundproofing churches, office spaces, restaurants, studios, and home theaters. Cotton-based insulations are about 30% higher in acoustic ratings than traditional insulations. In addition to being an excellent soundproofing material, Batt also serves as a great energy-saving product, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It can make a huge difference in the feel of a single room or an entire building. Batt is made of 80% recycled natural cotton fibers, making it safe for the environment and for you. It doesn't matter if your project is large or small, whether you're a DIYer or professional soundproofer. It's important to have a product that is easy to handle and install, and nothing beats Batt in this department. Unlike most insulation materials, Batt does not require gloves for handling. Our soundproofing insulation sheets are easy to install in exterior and interior walls, in framed or drop-down ceilings, attics, or in between floor joists. Batt is friction fit between 16 and 24 inches on center studs and can be used between wood or steel studs. You don't need any special tools to install, and it's an excellent choice for someone looking to soundproof drywall. Safety is an important factor when choosing installation. Batt not only meets but exceeds fire safety standard requirements according to ASTM standards. With Batt 30 installation, you have the freedom to use your space however you want without worrying about the noisy effects on the surrounding environment. At Soundproof Cow, we strive for 100% customer satisfaction and provide the highest quality materials on the market. Choose Batt for your next installation project.